Alright, hello everyone. This right here is the FCI HES-STW horn strobe. As you can see, there's the fire lettering on the side. It's got this little bulb here. It's a pretty neat little device. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so on the front here, it looks just kind of like a mechanical horn, kind of. Flip it on the back there. Let me zoom in real quick. See, the model number is HES-STW. This is the 3-tone horn model, 4-wire electronic horn. We've got horn, warble, and siren on here. The horn tone sounds kind of like a Wheelock EL1 or a Simplex 4903-9236, or just a horn like that. And then there's siren and warble, which are really high-pitched and obnoxious. We will hear those tones in just a minute. We're going to go over this alarm real quick. As you can see, it's got quite a large strobe on it. You can see that compared to the alarm itself, it sticks out almost as far as it goes width-wise. It's got a little bulb on the front here that's basically a magnifier for the strobe lens, making this a 1575 candela strobe. Looking on the back again, those are your terminals. This side is for the horn and that side is for the strobe. It mounts to a standard 4-inch box. So yeah, that's my little overview of it, so let's go ahead and give it a test. Alright, so now it's time to test the alarm. So I'm going to set it off, and I'm going to show the different tones, and I'm going to shut it off. There's going to be some jump cuts, but that's just how the video is going to be. So we got the 270 SPO hooked up. Here we go. Fail. Alright. Alright, so that is the test and tones demonstration. So that'll be the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.